I am Stony Phantom. Dot, dot, dot. Alright, let's go dot, dot, dot. Oh, I trolled the shot. Ooh, that was kind of a good cutoff, though. Never mind. What was I saying? That actually helped them, if anything. All I did is... alright, let's not do that again. Panda beat me to this ball? No, not neither anymore. Oh. Nice. That's a good pass by me, though. I knew he wasn't beating me to the ball. Oh! Should not have died for that one. Oh my goodness, I almost trolled again. He's missing. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. My defense is like clumsy at the moment. Oh my! Yo! Oh. Nah, man. It's cooked. I was trying to say I need to sneeze, and then I started sneezing mid-sentence, so it just completely, it got cooked. That actually kind of hurt, too, because, like, I was mid-talking and I sneezed. Which, like, usually never happens to me. Or rather, I was mid-word, not even just mid-talk, I was mid-word and I sneezed. I don't even know if that's ever happened to me before. That might be a first, low-key. Yeah, but I'm gonna not do that one again. We'll take that. The funny thing is, it actually ended up helping me because, well, it didn't help. Well, it ended up working out because they didn't score off that moment that I sneezed. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh shoot. Nope, I seen that. Oh. Oh, I messed him up. I messed him up because I jumped right over the top of him so he couldn't jump. Or I don't know if he even saw me, but I don't know. Maybe I didn't mess him up. Maybe I'm just taking credit for something that I shouldn't be. Yeah, I still can't. Yeah, that sneeze. Oh, it was not fun. Not a fun time. It's just so funny because I literally was saying, like, about to say, oh my goodness, we almost trolled that. I literally was trying to say. Oh, I trolled. Oh, he trolled. Alright, it's okay, we both trolled. Oh, and I trolled again because, oh, they trolled some more. Let him have it. I was literally trying to say I'm about to sneeze, but I didn't expect the sneeze to come as soon as it did. That's why it caught me off guard. Oh, I sold us. Oh, I really sold us. My bad. I'll take it for that. Nah, I sold us more. I left him in that situation. Yeah, that sneeze came way sooner than I thought it was. Like, I thought that sneeze was building up, and then it just came before I expected it to. That's a goal, though. That's a goal, though. Oh, I couldn't. Yeah, that's just a bad touch. Let me just grab this. Ooh. Ah, that's stupid. Now he's 1-on-1. That's a losing 50. Oh, but he 50. Oh! Oh, I sold us. Oh, I sold us again. I sold us twice in a row. That's crazy. 2 goals messed up. I mean, I messed up like 3 goals this game. Only saving grace is that we're up 4, but... Oh, shoot, my bad. Oh, this is... Oh! Oh my gosh. It was a good shot. That was a crazy save by me, though. But, yeah, I just couldn't recover. Low-key, though, if I waited for the in-out save, then just go for it right away. Could have maybe saved... why am I double jumping? Bro, let's not the... Oh, I can't talk. Let's not let them come back. Alright. That's the main thing here. Okay, well, I mean, we don't really need to score anymore. We just need to not get scored on. Oh! Oh! Oh, my... There it is. I'm just saying, this game is, like, so chalked. Like, first I sneeze mid-word. And then, like, yeah, I don't know. And then, like, both teams are selling in some ways. By both teams, I mean mainly me. Oh, I nearly had it. What? That's not a bump. Grab that. Just hit it high, waste time. Oh, shoot. Oh, I sold us. It's alright. They're not scoring 3 in 5 seconds, bro. This would be the biggest sell of all time. If we let them score 3 in 5 seconds, like, it would be pretty much the same as letting them score 1 in 1 second. Like, yeah, like they gotta score like right now, and they're not. See? Oh shoot! All right, we'll take it. They gotta pretty much score directly off kickoff in 1 second. Or they could spare 2 seconds twice actually, but then they'd have to score the third time 0. Let's go, div up. Yeah. That I don't. Yeah, that'll be called the sneeze game maybe. I don't know. That game was just interesting one. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'm Stony Phantom. And I'm out.